Here's my Kawasaki Z125. As you can see, it doesn't get out much. It hasn't been out in a little while. Not even sure what the mileage is because the battery's dead. That's how long it's been set. So I'm going to change out the battery and get this thing cleaned up. Okay, we're going to change the battery on the Z125. This is my replacement battery, Duralast Gold. Got it from AutoZone. You're going to need an 8mm, the highly sought after 8mm. It took me an hour to find. So before we get started, everyone could please subscribe. I'm almost to 1,000, over halfway there. Please, please, please. It's free. So the first thing is, on the Z's, the battery's under the seat. So you gotta pop the lock for the seat, pull the seat off, and voila, there's the battery. Pick the battery up so you can see the top of it. This makes it a lot easier. And you can undo these screws. There's the positive side off. And there's the negative side off. Battery is out. I was a little lazy and I went for the slightly more expensive one because I did not want to put the acid in. I just wanted to bolt it up and go. So the new battery's gonna go in same way that the old one came out. Sometimes this takes just a little bit of patience because these bolts like to fall out. Okay, so we're gonna put one of these on that side. Can't even see it. And then we're gonna put one, slide it in on the other side. Okay, now that we got our positive on, our negative on, I do want to get a little, tighten it down. Sometimes this can be a pain in the butt with two hands. It's definitely a pain in the butt with one hand. I already dropped one of the bolts down there. Alright, so that fit in there just a little bit more snug than the other one. But we got that back in there. Alright, so we'll take the old battery back. Has a core, get some money back from that. I don't remember what it was, 10 bucks I think. And slap the seat back on there. Let's see. Got a battery that works. What's that? 510 miles. That's all I've done on this bike. I think I've had it for like 2 years. I don't ride it nearly enough. There isn't a whole lot of gas in it, so let me start with that. All right, I got some gas in it now. Oh yeah, that fires right up with gas in it. Well, there we go. New battery. Thing works. Let's get this thing cleaned up. That still works. better already. No soap needed. Oh, missed the spot. That pressure washer, it's got some power. It took off my month sticker. Actually, that's a year sticker. Kids put them on wrong. This thing definitely does the trick. Now for the blower. Out of battery. Fucking California.